Why are you guys anywhere?
We're sort of a club.
Yeah, the Losers Club.
You want in?
Yeah, I do.
Hey, we're 7 now. Lucky 7. I want to kill it.
I just want to forget about it.
It's not just us. It's all the other kids, too. Who's gonna be next?
It kills kids, damn it.
You killed my brother George, you nerd! Let's see you now.
Maybe it's the water.
The water? Maybe it's the sewer.
Was it Pennywise?
Mouth full of razor-sharp teeth.
You smell that? That's death. Losers fight it. Losers die.